Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to clear cache on Microsoft Edge. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Microsoft Edge. Now to clear cache, first of all on the top you'll find these three dots. Click on this and over here go to settings. Now you can see I am here in my settings. Now, after coming to the settings, on the top left you will find the search box. Over here search for cache and enter. And now you can see clear browsing data. Click on this and after that you can see clear browsing data. Now over here uncheck others and find this cache. And now you can see I have selected this cache. Also we can select the time range over here. We can select the cache to be deleted of last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. For now, I'll go with this last hour only. And now just click on this clear now. And now you can see I have successfully cleared my cache. So in this way we can clear cache on Microsoft Edge. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.